I will explain exactly how to make anyone like you by using 3 simple biological tricks. This isn't magic. It's just how the human brain is wired to connect with others. The first method is copying their body language. When you're talking to someone, try to subtly match how they are sitting or standing. If they lean back, you lean back. If they use their hands to talk, you do the same. This works because the brain has special cells that look for patterns. When you act like them, their brain automatically signals that you are safe and just like them, which builds instant trust. The second method is asking for a tiny favor. Most people think they should do things for others to be liked, but it's actually the opposite. Ask someone for something small, like borrowing a pen or a quick opinion. When they help you, their brain tries to make sense of it. It thinks, I'm helping this person, so I must like them. This is a simple way to trick their brain into feeling a connection with you. The third trick is using their name. Studies show that hearing our own name is one of the most satisfying sounds to our brain. It lights up the part of the brain that makes us feel important and noticed. When you use someone's name in a conversation, you are giving them a small reward that makes them enjoy talking to you more. The reality is that humans are naturally focused on themselves. We don't just like people for who they are. We like people who make us feel good. By using these small moves, you are giving their brain the safety and attention it craves. Subscribe for more.